Hey guys, this is Sunny. I have a class tomorrow and we want to make sure that we have a plugin for KV Core into Craigslist. It's a new feature that was released not too long ago, and unfortunately the video is a little bit late, but I have been testing it and it works extremely well. So follow the video. I will post the URL where you need to go to enable the plugin and be ready for the class. So again, you want to make sure you are going to download Chrome first thing, even if you're using Internet Explorer as your browser or Safari or any other browser. What you want to do is you're going to type in this URL that I will have in the post to download Chrome. Once you download Chrome, okay, and the Chrome is installed on your computer, then you're going to need the KV extension. The KV extension, okay, I will have that in the post as well. The KV extension is here. This is what's going to come up on your Chrome browser when you copy and paste the link. So all you have to do is click on Add to Chrome. Okay, Add to Chrome, and just say Add Extension. Okay, that's it. Now, the third thing you have to do is you have to set a destination. The extension doesn't know what city you're in. I mean, you could be in California, you could be in Florida, you could be in New York. So you have to set your destination. The way you do that is on this blue icon. This little blue, looks like an eye, looks like a camera. When you click on that, it'll say set URL. So the URL literally essentially is where are you directing your traffic to, right? So in this case, we're doing Dallas Fort Worth. So once you search for Dallas, it'll pull up Dallas Fort Worth, and when you click on it, it'll automatically set it. You'll see right here, Craigslist URL has been set for KV Core. So, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else. You're good to go from this point to to post from KV Core over into Craigslist, which will be the part that I'll be teaching in the class tomorrow. So if you can get a jump start and get these steps done, then you'll be ready to go while I'm teaching my class. Thank you again.